Sick of buying ice? Or don't even want to go there? Ryder fridge freezer units are the answer. Powered by brand new compressors based on the reliable Danfoss design, each of these fridges are capable of operating on 12, 24 or 240 volts. Programming the temperature is a breeze with digital control panels for precise adjustment. These compressors give you a temperature range of 10 to minus 18 degrees on every fridge model. Anderson-style 50-amp connectors offer greater compatibility and reliability, and safety hasn't been forgotten either, with 10-amp circuit breakers and low voltage cut out on every model. The unique turbo function will rapidly cool the contents by increasing the compressor speed. Inside the cabinet, you'll find removable baskets for easy packing and cleaning, and internal LED lights so you won't need a torch at night. The heavy-duty, spring-loaded handles double as tie-down points to secure the fridge in your vehicle, and simplified positive locking latches keep the cool air where it belongs. Every Ryder fridge freezer is backed by Evercool with a 3-year warranty, so you can adventure with confidence.